just need to go. She said, I just need to smoke. And every time I smoke, it make my feelings feel better, though. Police and they at the door. P.O. time not to go. But all I want to do is smoke. Yeah, all I want to do is smoke. Popo at the door, they saying let me in. I just want to smoke and chill with my kin. Going to that crib and spend a Benjamin, but them bags hella small. Why the fuck they small? I don't even know. Said she spent 150,000 at the mall. And her boyfriend too. But them bags small as hell like doo-doo. Man, I'm trying to get them big bags like Blue Clues. And I'm trying to smoke, but my P.O. trying to abuse my fucking rights. I'm trying to extend it. On my blunts, yeah, Highland, don't claim it. Smoking green. This ain't the sport called tennis. Bags be like golf balls. And them P.O. trying to lock my walls.
What?
But I ain't trying to go.
No,
Heading to the stove, platinum swishers, ho.
Swishes.
Buy them by the trillions. Buy them by the billions. Stack them to the ceiling.
Stealing.
Yeah.
We don't play that shit, bitch. We ain't going to the shit. We ain't going to jail. Oh, marijuana really sells. Oh, well, we need to go to jail. Oh, freely be smoking green. Green always seem to make things feel
green.